G'day legends, Sammy here, and I'm out today in the kayak checking out the all-new Hook Reveal from Lowrance. Now some pretty cool new features in the mix here, including FishReveal overlay for DownScan, which will help you distinguish between structure and fish. You've got the Genesis Live mapping, which will help create your own contoured maps, and of course my favourite, the Autotuning Sonar, so you can just sit back and relax and let the unit pick the best settings for your situation. Now, these bad boys are available in a 5, 7 and 9 inch unit and are compatible with the triple shot transducer as well as the split shot transducer in deep and shallow water options. Well guys, that's enough talking from me. Let's go find some fish. Righto, so I've marked a school of fish here. I just tied on a little vibe. I can see them showing up on 2D and DownScan with the FishReveal. They're showing up nice and clear. There's a heap of fish there. See if I can't put the hooks into one. This sort of technology, finding the fish is easy. Catching them, that probably proves to be the hard part. We'll see how we go. There we go. There we go. Smack that. Slow rolling it up through the school. Absolutely thumped it. Oh, he's only a little tacker. There you go. Saw the school, sent the vibe down, and he absolutely nailed it. But I reckon I can do better than that. He can go back. There's plenty more fish on the sounder here. See if I can't tempt one of his older brothers. Well, these guys don't want to eat a jig. Just have to get them on the troll. Nice little deep diver. I reckon we'll bring them undone. Just using the GPS to go right back over where I marked those schools before. With a bit of luck, it won't be too long before this lure gets crunched. And I'm marking fish coming onto the screen right now. Oh, there was a touch. Oh, missed him. Oh, missed him again. Oh, got him that time. There you go. There you go. I could see them all in the sounder. I knew it was only a matter of time. Bang. Trust your electronics. Sometimes fish just don't want to eat. You know they're down there, you can see them. Don't lose faith. Just change your technique. Oh, he's a nice little fish. And I think he's a nice fish to finish the morning on. Well, there you go guys. Crush that little deep diver. The new Hook Reveal makes finding fish really, really easy, but catching the fish, well, that's on you guys. Can't help you in that department. I'm gonna let this guy go, head home for a big brekkie. Have a good one guys, catch you next time.